Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to treat y'all to some drunk nail art, which I have not done in quite some time. But, okay, full disclosure, this entire video is not drunk nail art. But I'm going to start off with these honkin' tips and try to cut them down quite poorly, as you can see here. Yeah. So I don't even know what the heck I was thinking, but this is what we do when we've had too many drinks. I'm like, yeah, let me just file this down. And then all four of the tips that I'm going to use are all four different lengths. They're all four different lengths, different sizes, what have yous. Now, normally I don't use a base coat on my tips, but again, I was not thinking properly. I was not in the right state of mind to be doing nail art, and I don't know why, but I decided to come back to this second tip, and yeah, I don't know. Y'all, don't judge me. We're just gonna keep powering through. Honestly, the first few nails that I do, they're fine until all of a sudden they're not any longer. I wish I could repeat what was said here, but I cannot. Lots of slamming down things and lots of cursing. I dropped my sticky side down, and now I have fuzz all over my damn So yeah, now my tacky base coat layer is covered in table towel fuzz, but it's fine. I was really irritated, but I'm just going to wipe everything off with alcohol. Not that it matters, because ain't nobody wearing these tips anyway. But yeah, none of my polish will be attached to anything sticky and tacky. So I'm going to use two Model 1s polishes for my base colors, which I don't know, maybe I'm biased. I thought this color combo was flawless together. I'm going to use all of these sticky stamping polishes with the exception of the peacock on the far left. Yeah, use code BLL20 to save 20% at modelones.com. I also have a SheModern discount code for you guys, which you'll see in a little bit. I want to say it's Tara10. I don't know. It'll pop up on the screen. Y'all, this yellow, I feel like it's coming across a little deeper on camera. It's like a super soft buttercream yellow. Oh, I live. Oh, it's absolutely gorge. So here they are, glossy. I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about here. I don't know what I'm saying, but okay, whatever. I'm still 3 sheets to the wind. So now I'm going to go in with my Model 1's matte top coat. I really am digging this matte top coat. Yeah, you can really see how different all my tips are, like the lengths. It's terrible. So Maniology's Ice Cube Stamper and my all-time favorite Fab Your Nails Scraper. That's what I'm using. I do eventually discover in my sober state, oh, hang on, today's activity. Listen to this. Girl, who hurt you? I don't know. I was super aggressive with my plate scraping. I don't know. Any boobs. Apparently I wasn't happy with that first pickup. Oh yeah, Tara10, save 10% at SheModern. Yeah, so I pick it up a second time and it literally looks exactly the same as it did the first time. Whatever, we move on. I don't know why, but again, wasn't making the best choices. Hello, big tractor driving down the road. But I thought, hey, what a great idea it will be to try to layer my stamping. I don't even know. I mean, I have two eyeballs. I'm not really sure either one of them was really working properly when I was doing this. But honestly, I was kind of impressed with the way this first nail turned out, even in my inebriated state. I don't know. Maybe my skills are madder than I thought they were. I don't know. But I did sort of run into issues with the Maniology Ice Cube Stamper because it's so squishy that when I would press my image down, it would kind of distort, stretch. I don't know, it would get kind of out of shape, like me, just out of shape. Yeah, so I'm trying to, find the camera, make sure. Yeah, see, I kind of stretched my little smile there on my jack-o'-lantern, which means that I have to try to replicate the exact same stretchy smile on my second stamp, y'all. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But yeah, and I'm like, girl, what are you doing? There's all kinds of shit on this stamper. Get that off of there. Help, Tara. Okay, yeah. So I finally wake up. Oh, yeah, I was a mess. I was a mess, y'all. But, I can't be the only one who gets tipsy and wants to do nail art. Look, I did it. Somehow I freaking stretched. Oh, I almost dropped my tip here. Somehow I stretched that smile in the exact same way I did the first time. I don't know how I did that. Anyway, yeah, I added a bunch more stuff to that nail. And now this is where I'm like, as I watch this back, I'm like, how the hell did you think in a million, quintillion, trillion years, girl, that you were going to line up these two spider webs and all these tiny ass lines? What? Okay, so it was a mess. It was a mess, but I still had some stuff left on my stamper, and I thought, this over here looks naked. Let's maybe try to throw some stuff up here in this top left corner of this web. It looks like trash. It looks like trash. Get it on there, girl. Push. Okay, yeah. I hate it. I hate it. Hate it. Oh well. Look at this peel porn, hey. Yeah, who doesn't love some good peel porn? And so this little spider's legs were so fine, like the image, right? Super fine. Once again, Tara trying to try to layer up, I guess, line up two images. Oh, heavens to Murgatroyd. So, I did the best I could. I did the best I could. And then I added, I don't know, a white spider and went over him in pink. Okay, so again, this extra piece of this bottom web is just on my nerves. So now, a couple days later, I'm back. I'm sober. And everything you see from here on out is sober nail art, but it's probably kind of shitty anyway. But, what are you going to do? I haven't stamped in forever, I feel like. And I'm kind of a master stamper. I don't know. I don't do a lot of things well in the nail art world, but I do stamp my ass off, and I can water marble. So, yeah, I don't know. I think I was trying to cover up that shitty web up in the top left, and eventually I'm like, screw this. So I just go in with some acetone and a cleanup brush and get off as much of that as I possibly can. It wasn't perfect, but it didn't stick out like a sore thumb like it did previously. It's fine. Whatevs, whatevs. You can definitely tell what they are. They are two spider webs and, I don't know, a little family of spiders. So I really wanted to use this image, I don't know, spooky mansion, dilapidated building, I don't know. So I get it on there. It's cool. Not bad. Yeah, looking good. So I'm going to go in with my, Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and basically just filling like the bottom half of this with black, because I have designs for what I would like to do on the bottom part of this tip. So yeah, keep in mind, y'all, we're sober now. So it was just basically that first full nail tip and, I don't know, half of the second tip. So here she goes, sober-ass Tara, still trying to line up on this tiny little piece of a curved nail tip with this super squishy stamper. I don't know. It's not perfect, but I was kind of digging it. I don't know. I was kind of digging it. And now I have ideas to do a moon, okay? But I am not trying to draw a circle with white gel paint. So I'm going to use this plate, and as you see, I have changed stampers. Yeah, this has a firmer stamper head, which literally made all the difference in the world. So I'm going to basically double stamp this circle, and then just flip that image around so that it makes a whole ass circle. And then I'm going in with Madam Glam's Perfect White. Use BLL30 to save 30% at madamglam.com. And I'm just going to fill in my moon with this beautiful brush that I got from Shein. Look how gorgeous. Look how good. I think this was a set of 3 detail brushes. Love them. And yeah, you know, I did okay. It wasn't perfect, but what are you going to do? So I'm going to get that all filled in with some white gel and get it cured. And then I'm going to stamp a little witch on a broom, flying past the moon. Look at her go. Look at her go. Witch, please. Go, girl. She's off to wreak havoc in someone's life. And I just did another sort of little graveyardy scene down at the bottom with a tree and a little bat hanging upside down. And then I thought, you know what? I am not effing around with white, doing white first, and then trying to stamp these tiny ass little bats perfectly over the white using this fuchsia. I love how this turned out though. Love it. So here's where we are right now, y'all. I have not top coated anything because I'm terrified. I'm terrified to top coat and smear all of this hard work that has literally taken me 3 days. Well, technically a night and a half because I did take some time off. I'm terrified that my sticky stamping polish is going to smear and I will be so sad. Some of these, this is really hippy dippy trippy. But I'm kind of digging it. That's where we are. Wish me luck. I definitely want the whole set matte, but I can't go in with just a matte top coat first. I'm going to have to glossy it up. Okay, I'm going in. Wish me luck. So I'm just going to use my Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat and float that product over my images. Basically sort of load up my brush. I don't know, puddle it up, pull it up. Basically do anything and everything to keep from dragging my bristles through my little stamped images. Yeah, so I'm just floating that product to try to keep from even the potential. I don't want any smears even sniffing my tip here. And doing the same over here, over here, over here. Yeah, I did the same on all those. And yeah, so they're glossy. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I went in with glossy first. Yeah, my bad. And I just wanted to show y'all what they all look like glossy before I mattify, before I matte them up. They're okay. They're okay. But I just felt like, I don't know, all these colors, the turquoise, the yellow, the fuchsia, I felt like they needed to be matte. And that was a good choice, girl. You made good choices in your sober state. Proud of you, sis. All right, so I'm just going to wrap this up with my final thoughts. Hope y'all like this mani. Okay, guys, that's it. Design-wise, how did I do? I'm glad I stayed with this nail. I haven't filmed my voiceover yet, so I'm not entirely sure what it is I'm going to tell y'all in this video as I'm working on this nail. But now that it's all said and done and we are back and the whole look is finalized, I'm really glad I left this alone. I actually stamped him, I think 3 times because his little legs were just so fine. And of course I couldn't line him up, you know, perfectly every time. But to me, he looks like one of them fat, hairy, fluffy spatters. So, you know, I ain't mad at that. My stamping got a little bit better once I moved to my more firm stamper head as opposed to my squishy Maniology, what is that? Ice cube stamper. Yeah, and I didn't even try to do I didn't even try to do this pink over white because there was no way in hell I was going to line up all them damn bats. But I actually kind of like the more muted fuchsia because it sort of looks like, I don't know, maybe they're in a shadow, they're shadowy. I do kind of wish I had maybe done some sort of cloud cover for my witch over the moon. I'm no hand drawing artiste, so I didn't even like try to outline the damn moon or anything. Maybe I should have maybe done that, like with a dark gray. I don't know. I'm just being nitpicky. For being drunk halfway, you know, for half of this set, I feel like, you know, it could have been a hell of a lot worse. I have done a hell of a lot worse drunk nail art before. But yeah, I was sober for, I don't know, two and a third of this mani. But anyway, let me quickly run through the plates that I used, because I hate like having cloudy, grody, you know, plates. I wanted to clean them all off. So this is HK11, which I'm pretty sure I got, hell, I don't know, either in a super old group buy or I got from AliExpress eons ago. What did I use on that one? Yeah, well, you know, you watched the video, but I just wanted to run through all of these in case I didn't have them all in shot. So this is What's Up Nails A012 fan freaking tastic Halloween plate. Love that. Maniology M032. Edgebus. If y'all don't know Edgebus, y'all, Edgebus is phenomenal. Their plates are double-sided, by the way. So this is Edgebus EJB X08. I didn't use anything on this side. I wanted to use him, but he's huge, and he wouldn't even fit on my spider web. So Edgebus plates, double-sided. They stamp phenomenally well, and having a double-sided plate, it saves space in your little plate organizers. So bless you, Edgebus. Harry Spider-Man. This is an old bundle monster, now Maniology. BMS 245 from the Cabinet of Curiosities plate. This was like, I think, a 10-piece, I don't know, Halloween or creepy, deepy type collection of the little mini square ones. And I do believe, finally, I used Lena's Make Your Mark 01 as my moon template, I guess, because I sure as hell wasn't going to try to draw a big ass white circle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite little nail was here. I hope you stuck around through the whole thing. If you're brand new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Let me know what you're up to. Tell me how your life's going. I hope y'all have a fantastic Halloween. Love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.